You can draw these cute characters using only 2 brushes. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it step by step. For sketching and coloring, I'm using my sleek ink brush, and for shading, I'm using my grainy texture brush. For this, I'm using canvas size 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab the color palette and my giveaway brush for free. The links in the description below. Now let's start. For drawing the pear, I'll start by drawing a curved line on the top and another one, but I will make it bigger, and I will close the shape by drawing a curved line also. Now I will add the stem on top of the pear, and I will keep the lines smooth and curved. Now I will add 2 leaves, 2 cute eyes in the center of the pear, and a cute smile. Now I'll start coloring the pear by using the green color, and for this I'm still using my sleek ink brush. I used it for sketching and now I'm coloring with it. I will use a lighter green for the stem, and I will color the leaves as well. Once I'm done, I start adding shadows on a separate layer and I set it on multiply mode. For this step, I'm using my grainy texture brush and I'm still using the same green. Now I'm adding some dots using my sleek ink brush. And to finish this cute drawing, I will add highlights using my sleek ink brush and the same color that I used to color the pear. Now I will add 2 cute cheeks using the pink color. And to finish this cute drawing, I will add 2 cute white dots for the eyes. And that's it. For drawing the lemon, I'll draw an oval shape and I will add 2 curved lines on top and bottom. After I finish it, I will add a cute stem and a cute leaf also. And I will add 2 eyes and a cute smile in the center. Now I will use the yellow color to color the lemon using my sleek ink brush. As you see, I created a closed line and I will just drag and drop the color inside the lemon. I will use the green color to color the stem and leaf. Now I'll add the shadow using my grainy texture brush and the same yellow color that I used to color the lemon, and I'm doing the same as well for the leaf. To finish it, I'm just adding cute dots using my sleek ink brush, and I will add highlights by using the same colors here. It's very simple. And to finish this drawing, I'll add 2 cute cheeks using the pink color. For shading, I created a new layer and set it to multiply mode, and for highlighting, I created a new layer also and set it to screen mode. Now I'm done drawing this cute lemon. For drawing this cute mango, I will draw an oval shape. It's very simple and basic. I'll add on the top a cute stem and curved line for the leaf. I'll just adjust the shape here. And now I will add 2 cute eyes and a cute smile in the center of the mango. Here I will color the mango using 3 colors, the green for the bottom and the orange in the middle. And for this step I'm using my sleek ink brush. I will color the top by using the darker orange. Now I will use the smudge tool to blend the color and give them this natural look. Now I will add yellow in the middle of the mango, and then I will use the Gaussian blur to blur the colors. Finally, I will color the leaf using the green color before I start adding shadows. And for this step, I created a new layer set it to multiply mode, and I'm using my grainy texture brush to add the shadows. And here I'm adding the highlights using the sleek ink brush, and I created a new layer set it to screen mode. And as a final touch, I will add those cute cheeks using pink color, and I will finish by adding those cute dots for the eyes. And that's it. It's super easy and fun. If you draw this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version. Join me on Discord so we can discuss everything about art together. See you on the next video. Bye bye.